I got this. It's the GoPro Hero 8. I also got this thing, which is super secret. No, it's... No, why would I bring... No, it's... Let me show you. Here, I really want to try this. This is cool. Now I can show you around from my perspective. What? What are the odds?
The fuck, man?
How's it going? How are you? You're not here for talking at the same conference I am?
No.
That's crazy.
I
saw you, I was like, what?
I just flew in from Australia. I figure we should take a selfie.
Remember, you're very special to us.
First time in Belgium, I just made it in Brussels. I just really hope that they have Brussels sprouts here. I don't know why. It's a lame joke, but I really hope so. Someone should pick me up, so let me find them. So I'm here with a super friendly Uber driver that picked me up. No, I'm kidding. She's the organizer of the conference. This is Marta, and she's... What is the name of the conference? Like, I'm forgetting all the time.
Workshop Summit.
Workshop Summit in Belgium. It's my first time here in Brussels, and I was just hoping that Brussels sprouts originate from here, but it turns out I'm wrong. I googled that yesterday.
Then stay to the left.
I feel like I'm on the verge of getting, I'm getting the symptoms of... I was checking my temperature for 3 days. No, but that would be super fun to tell you in the car. Oh, by the way, I have the virus, and I'm gonna...
And then there is a mannequin piece that is a statue of this little boy peeing.
Oh, that's exciting. You have one meal. What would it be?
If you haven't been here, I would recommend that you try mussels with fries.
What's the best Belgian chocolate? Is it Godiva?
I don't think Godiva. I like Newhouse much better.
Newhouse.
I mean, I don't drive normally, so...
It's always nice when you hear from your driver. I don't drive normally. It's always you feel...
The whole history of, how the European Union was created.
No, I couldn't care less.
Voilà.
I would like to see the pretty buildings, but usually I don't go inside. And I'm
Okay,
like,
fair enough.
Thank you for the ride. I can see the entire city. I don't have to go out. Holy crap. Look at this. There, and I can see whatever that monument is there. Okay, it's great. I'm so tired. Can I just crash for
12 seconds later.
Okay, so we're back. Hi, you're in the vlog setup.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, so let's go out and find... What did she say? What do I have to eat?
Mussels with fries.
So it's not gonna be Brussels sprouts, but it's gonna be mussels in Brussels. That's funny. Okay, let's go. So from 1 to 10, it's eh. Okay, I'm currently on a 90-day no sweets challenge, and I'm on day 48. And it's been going great so far. I didn't have any temptations. Everything was, but in this city, just look at this. Like, everything is about chocolate, waffles, chocolate, and this is not a coincidence. The place behind me.
I like Newhouse much better.
So I think 48 days are enough. I'm gonna pause it for one day. Huh? What do you think? I think I should pause it. Hi. This was nothing special. Just I swear to God, I've had regular chocolate from a store that was better than this. So her last suggestion was to visit the fountain of the boy who is peeing. Look at that chocolate fountain. I want a chocolate fountain. I don't want a boy who is peeing fountain. Okay, let's see this fountain. Oh, actually, I think I read reviews for this place that has waffles. So it's now it started raining, like everything is against me. I'm gonna eat this, I don't care. Fuck you. I mean, it's okay. It's a waffle. So where's this fountain with the being... Oh, there he is. I don't understand that. Hi, how are you? Okay, I was walking to this place which has a lot of stars on Google Maps, and as I was approaching, holy shit, there was a explosion noise. So I might as well go back to eating chocolates and waffles away from here. Okay, I'm just gonna chill here for a second. Shut up, bird, I'm trying to say something. Like, just looking at this city just makes me think. It makes me think of that raclette sandwich that I saw like 2 hours ago, and I'm still thinking about it. And you know, I'm not someone who sleeps on his dreams. I'm gonna go and make that dream a reality. Thank you. Bye-bye. I don't know what is with my luck and food today, what is wrong, but I know that I'm gonna find one thing today that makes me go like, oh my god, that was delicious. Now I can finally say that I had a proper, holy shit, that was so good. It was so good. Wait, let me show you this. There's one last thing to check out tonight. According to Google Maps, it seems like it's the best pub in the world with over 2,000 beers. What? I have to check that out. Okay, that was a great night. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Actually, make sure to do whatever the fuck you want. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.